Sing an inner song. You hear a child sitting there happily in their high chair. They got mush all over their face, mush all over their lap, and they're just going. Now inside of you there is still the inner child. So one way to be happy is to speak to your inner child and parent it. So you go we can get good at it. You can teach your inner child to hum all the time. But of course, the inner mother says, "Don't be humming out like that in church and in the grocery store." You say you learn how to hum quietly. Even finally, your mother says, "Now stop that. People are going to think you're mental or something." So you learn how to hum to yourself without making any noise. I'm still humming. Even when I'm talking, in the back of my mind, I'm humming.